What up? Welcome to another one. Today is gonna be a quick video, like always, but I'm gonna try to install the rear visor on the G before we lose the rest of the sunlight we got. So let's get to it. All right, so I got the old one off, but while doing that, I found there with a surface rust. So I'm gonna start on quick, just a little touch-up paint. This don't turn into anything else. Nothing crazy, just touched it up real quick. That's what it looks like. Just preventative stuff, so it don't get crazy. But so now we're gonna have to put double-sided tape on the new one, and then sew it on the car. So here's a quick look at the one we took off, the rubber one. Then this the one that I'm putting on now before we install this. So let's take it to the car. We got all the tape off the back. Starting to feel raindrops. So let's get this thing put on before we get wet out here. Alright, so that's how it turned out. Not so bad. I think it's pretty good. But yeah. So that's that one for y'all, man. Let's try to see if I can get some more stuff done to it. If not, this all we got, bro. And I'll see y'all on the next one.